Welcome to this video on General Ledger inquiries in the DealerTeam Accounting app. You can use General Ledger inquiry to filter and find journal entries. In the Accounting menu, click General Ledger inquiry. You'll notice several search filters which will help you narrow down your search. Make sure you click Reset so that all fields are empty from any previous searches. You can narrow your search down by journal, like receipts, repair orders, or car deals. You can search by account name or account number. You can also provide a range of dates to filter by. If you're trying to find a specific dollar amount, for example $100, you can change the filter condition from equals to contains and enter the amount. You'll see all entries that contain the value, including both positive and negative entries. If you find the entry you're looking for and want to view the full detail, click on the reference ID. Here we have a journal entry with 7 lines. In the next couple of videos, we'll be taking a look at functions like copy selected and reverse selected. Thanks for watching.